A man and wife of masses 70 kg and 60 kg respectively are seated 0.8 meter apart. Calculate the force of attraction between them. So this question is under Isaac Newton law of universal gravitation. Now, let's start with what we are given so that we can see how our formula will connect the parameters together or the quantities together. So here we are given the mass of the man. I'll call that M1. So M1 is 70 kilogram. And then we are given the mass of the woman, 60 kilogram. I'll call that M2. So M2 is equals to 60 kilogram. And then we are given their distance apart. So let me write that as D. Distance apart is 0.8 meter. That's their distance apart. And then we are given the universal gravitation constant, the gravitational constant. And that is given to us as G is equal to 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So this is the value of G given to us. Finally, we are to write out what we are looking for. We are looking for the force of attraction between them. That is letter F. So we are looking for F as the force of attraction between them. Now, the formula that we need to apply here is simply F, which is the force of attraction between them, is equal to G M1 M2 all over D square. So this is the formula we need to apply to carry out our calculation. So let me write the values now. G is 6, you can see it here, 6.67. 6.67 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 multiplied by M1, which is 70 kilogram, multiplied by M2, which is 60, all divided by D square. The value of D is 0.8. So 0.8 square. Don't forget to square D. You have to square it. So now, one important thing is that we must be careful here so that we'll not get the wrong answer. So you can multiply this by 70 and 60 and then divide by this. I will advise you to put this denominator in brackets so that you have an exact answer, the correct answer for this question. So by the time we multiply all this and divide by 0.8 square, it's going to give us the force of attraction between them as 4.38 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7 Newton. So this is the force of attraction between the man and his wife, and that gives us the final answer. Hope you understand the explanation. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.